Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 2. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in a file called spaces in this file name located in our home directory. So let's head over to our terminal. We are still logged in from the end of our last video. Make sure to watch it if you haven't. Also, I'd recommend that you store each password you obtain in a separate file on your computer, so you don't have to go through each level again every time you want to continue. Now, let's list the files in our current directory. We see the file that we want. If there are spaces in the file name, it requires special handling, because normally words separated by spaces are handled as separate file names. Now there are three options that we can use. The first is to make use of autocomplete. We type our command, we begin typing the file name, and we hit the tab button once. As you can see, it auto-completed our file name. The backslash in technical vocabulary is used to escape the character that follows. Because remember, if we included normal spaces, it will treat each word as a separate file name, and we don't want that. Now, for our second option, we will use the double quote. And our third option is to use single quotes. At this point, we successfully retrieved the password. We want to log out by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl D. We want to log in into our next and third level. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 2, we type the reachal command. And there we have it. Now everything is synced correctly. We check on the reachal website. We update. Congratulations on completing level 2. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.